Good morning, guys. I wanted to show you a Surinam Cherry. These actually grow like a bush. You can use them as a fence. You can see right there, my neighbor used them as a fence right there. You can see right here, look at all the cherries. And they're edible. Now, some taste better than others, but you can definitely eat them. Like I said, a lot of people use them for fences, as a hedge. I remember my dad's house that there was like a 70-foot long fence that he built with Surinam cherries. Basically a hedge, and we would trim it all the time. There you go. If you need a privacy fence, you could always build it from the Surinam cherry tree or bush, and you can have something to eat as well.